I've always filtered my water. I filter my drinking water. I always bring this pitcher when I'm away, but today for the first time, I'm gonna also make sure that my shower water is completely free of contaminants. So inside this box, I have a brand new product I'm very excited about. It's from AquaTru, which is the exact same brand I've been recommending. My own mom has the AquaTru countertop unit to filter our water. And today we have this product, which is a brand new to their series, is the AquaTru shower filter. So essentially, this should filter chlorine, chloramine, and other contaminants. Right now, me and Elliot are gonna install it and see if it does the job.
Ready for pure water from head to toe?
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Wow, super cool.
Of the owner's manual, we have some tools, and it should be a fairly straightforward install here. The shower head looks like this. It's about 2 pounds, a little bit on the heavier side, but you can see that inside there's the replacement filter that should be valid for 3 months or 90 days. So essentially you can close it, take it like this.
Just a moment.
Ah.
Now it's good.
Let's do it. I'm just removing the old Teflon tape. It comes off pretty easily. And after it's done, I think we'll just apply the new tape a little bit, tighten it a little bit, but not too much. And then we're gonna open it and test it. Essentially, that's you know, I'm no plumber, but that's easy as it gets. Okay, it's all installed. We're gonna see if it works. Overall, my experience was very easy. It took 15-20 minutes to get it installed. I'm not a plumber. I'm not particularly handy, so that was a good experience. The filters should last around 90 days, so I'm gonna probably order more filters, make sure I have a nice rotation. It's one thing to want to filter water, but you have to stay consistent, making sure that you replace the filters in time. So I think it's just a good way to lower your overall body burden. You know, if you filter your drinking water, filtering your shower water as well just makes sense.
Hi, I'm Elliot, the cameraman. Learn more on the emfguy.com. Like and subscribe